So we got into a bit of a mishap last night. I was trying to get into my Airbnb and I put the wrong key in the door in the wrong hole, and it ended up getting stuck in there. So I wasn't able to get in my room for about an hour, but fortunately the people came and they let me in. It was actually getting a bit desperate towards the end because my room key had got stuck in that outside door. They didn't seem to have a duplicate room key for me, so they were trying multiple keys, and finally they tried a key that wasn't even meant to open my door, and that key, turns out, ended up working for the door. But they said, "This is our only copy of this. Would you mind please making a copy of the key?" I said, "Sure, no problem, I'll go do that." So that's what we're doing now. We're walking to the cerrajeria, which I guess is a locksmith, and we're gonna get a new key made. I think it's supposed to be about 20 pesos to do that. We'll see how much the guy wants to charge me, but I'm happy to get that done for the Airbnb people. They did come out last night and help me, and it was like 9:30 p.m. so could have been easier. Oh, this looks closed. Well, that ain't gonna work. The cerrajeria is closed. Let's go ask this guy. Let's ask the guy in here. Señor, hay cerrajería aquí, pero es cerrado. ¿Sabes cuándo va a abrir? No sé. No sabe. Okay. Muchas gracias. He doesn't know. Well, definitely got to be very careful with this key then. It was such bad luck. I'll show you guys when I get back over to that area with a bimbo truck. I'll show you guys when I get back over to that area to my Airbnb, like what happened. It's so silly because it's a very easy mistake for someone to make, and it's just unlucky that it happened to me. Yeah, let me just go ahead and show you. I need to pick up my laundry anyway, so we'll do the laundry pickup too. These are just exciting vlogs, guys. Welcome to the best content on YouTube. So we're coming up to the outside part of my Airbnb now. So this is what happened. you have 2 keys on the thing, the keychain. This one is for the outside door. This one's for your room. I took the room key and I put it right here. And you can see a little broken key in there. I put it in there and it got stuck. It's this key that's supposed to go in here to open the door. And at 9:30 p.m. it's really dark out here. It's hard to see. I almost and I did really forget that there were 2 keyholes. So I think it's a pretty easy mistake to make, but it ended up being like an hour and a half ordeal last night. But that's okay. We got in. And I don't know when that cerrajeria is going to be open, but maybe I'll try again tomorrow. Anyways, this laundry place is pretty close, pretty convenient. Some sort of church over there. El Concilio Nacional de las Assemblies. We have a ticket here for our laundry. Hola. Buenas. Mi boleto. Gracias. Es 60 pesos, ¿sí? Sí. Muchas gracias. Que te vayas bien. Easy as that. Got our bag of laundry. 60 pesos. Not bad. I probably do one more laundry while I'm here in Playa del Carmen. And that'll be that. But yeah, guys, thought we'd get a key made. We didn't. That's pretty much it though. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.